Yeah, Bushia for an Emerson Makwa back in Wood Sports or YouTube, King Wood Sports, TikTok. Ebushia was second video be an hour share, no one like na bibia ayi koye Eddie Amayam. Ebushia for Daso, and I say Busu or crop ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko, I'll say him. When you say Nyoma Bebre and a Koso, Kotoko, a restructuring. The way Niaka say, hashtag Kotoko must be great again. Ebushia for this time local transfers, no. And I said Ghana, your transfers, no more DE, papa. Because clubs ni nyina moto players on person moto mo kwa abontene so we local team anasa we Kotoko anasa has na wo penso a ebo aye bebo no wan hwa a kuku achi a wo mabiem nti transfer ndi emu aye hyiye papa betumi aka say players a Kotoko ye omo adwene say omo po mu nyina no almost emu half anasa emu 70% assign my other clubs anasa eko outside and anti a clubs nso ehia skenti no obi di a club fi abontene and I say club fi outside not the sika na ba na emu oduru and I say emu oduru chen wu sika na on beje na omo eja ho and again players na nkasa so ehia skente no ohwe contract no negotiations na say ebe bo no player na ono so beko because so onum so otena gan ha na ogbo 4 years 5 years kra at the end of the day and I say at the end of the contract onye bibia ndi say offer free outside bana ono player ni steady ono management steady no say ebebo na na okọ nti target bebre Kotoko target bebre omodi omoni to omusu nyina no aye bibie ho from Kofi Tompo Eche Dogli Razak Simpson Ebenezer you can just mention them nti transfer ndi emu aye hye for clubs no do so any other but we are hoping say before the season will start and I say before season be start no na Kotoko anya omo right materials a omo pe na afei omo aboboa ekro bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko any project na esi Mr. Stanley Menzo so no aye adwuma na nyoma nyina akoye dia ma krobia Kumasi metema Asante Kotoko yes Kotoko must be great again ebusuafo yensemre no yehwe last season a board na no more last season and I say management na more last season there was one particular player striker na omani di na chi yie pa na last season kura na ompesa nkomenya na ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko but enyoma entumi atutom ama player na entumi mbepiem ewo krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na this player here can asem and a former IMC Nana Pinkra ene ne management former management you know that is a player to new board in him say na omunya kombesan player we nti omo suggest anaso omo ka che new board na ban say kwanda hono mbetumi a nkasa striker yi omo enkosan no metumi ensi akan ema ekrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko currently striker ye kan wan asemi osan ye free agent sisia no only club bia and he's no other person like or is no other person but Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr. Rudolf osi na kan edema SWEDRU All Blacks or striker osi na kan edema SWEDRU All Blacks na brantie na Kotoko former manager past management no na omane di nachi yie papa sa gombeyan no mana besi akan de ma Kumasi Asante Kotoko but enyoma anko ya na so mo sa entumi ankanum we na omo suggest ama new board ni say anka omo nko sign no ana say omo ne nkasa na omesi akan enfama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko because you see an Kotoko ehia striker go poacher obetumi abon ho modern de ama club no nti see Rudolf na Mensah Jnr. Oye free agent nti ye bompa say Kotoko mpenifo ne be kasa na watumi ebesi akan de ama krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko metema na enyoma nyina akoye yinim say anesuade huna eda Mr. Stanley Menzo director of football any board nanim any chief executive nanim nyina no say anesuade hunu ebebam na Kotoko aye Kotoko a in the next year or next 2 years no bo say Kotoko aye competitive omutum ton players omutum nye ombebo homore na enyoma akoye ede ama krobia Kumasi metema Asante Kotoko nti we are wishing them all the best and for now so a new coach na Oba no yeguso twen no ne ahwe sania enyoma ebeko na me san akai mo say on the 18th of this month Kotoko start pre-season be start preparation for the next season, and I said the season ahead of us. You know, your bonfire say, Bibi Bonnie BNC, and you remember to toy ye, you remember the come on, to me, I share a preseason, Nasena, Omwenya, the good materials are Kotoko Hiana, Omodi Esia Kanyo, Ghana Premier League. Nebuchadnezzar, some making you know, Richardo Suarez Pepe, my boss, Nankasa. I want to remove from the appointment of the board. I see currently, baby Kotoko, I was here. Richardo Suarez Pepe, I want to remove Bebra. But I'm a man quote Richardo Suarez Pepe, you best have here.
Any coach. That's the truth of the matter. Kotoko, any coach, if he's a brave. Now, the question is, Asante Kotoko board of Japan, or more, I you wanna check a cry, and Rechi as in the end. Yeah. Oba page na so. We are the Krata appointee. Asante Kotoko new board of directors no. And Krata appointee Kotoko new board of directors no, on February 27th February. Yam fancy February boss we know. So board no my from March, April, May, June, July anyway. 6 months in here. 5 months of the Kotoko a brand board never bano. Na si ebeyi Zito no. Okay, sir, Zito kwadi mfans on or yes on resign. That's the fact of the matter, sir. On resign. If it's a branding na Kotoko any coach board number now 12 games to the end of the season. 12 games to the end of the season. Abuja?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Kasei. Ghana Premier League when it will start, known.
Yes.
Na Kotoko only a standing team are very strong. And what fan say, oh, Nioma cry other than he had just 1-2 additions be paintino, and Nioma Esu and Kotoko. Say Chitan for the refia. The last time I got Koji League, I had Dr. Prosper Ogum 4 seasons ago. And what G League at the Asante Kotoko 3 Kotoko any Ghana Premier League,
Yeah.
And Asante Kotoko our responsibility say. Or they say they share supporters in him.
Sure.
And team na unyina ye no. 87.9. Edru sabre ya yede ehihye team na. Only the open Japan as a uni bre no, you don't have the luxury of time. To put it better, Kotoko any the luxury of time.
Yeah.
And all these months na best ne kono. Aye league na Kotoko nimpa se coach. What's the name? Mekacho Hamza Bafu from Mekacho Hamza we need 8 matches na akari nyina. Obi anya ne Kotoko coach. Dabi Hamza has about 4. Mekacho say Prince Ousu we need matches na akari nyina. Obi anya ne Kotoko man permanent. So the board knew that they will employ a new coach. In my personal opinion, we me my dream chire the appointment of a permanent coach for Asante Kotoko as a chadodo. Na cha I've situated it in a contest. Senkiaba started Ghana Premier League in December. Senka Ghana Premier League in January in Baba. And Yakasabre won't be for press biango to Biaso. But Makacha as a Kotoko are in transition. We've sat here and told you the number of players are. Omukwa de nyasi pam the contract as Omuko. And now no Kotoko chairman solo global supporters chairman of Asante Kotoko. Ayibio moha. Minya akoto awo Kotoko administrative manager by Kasai. Oje Michael Fossey players at least 7 there. Kotoko ni omo 7 number we issue no. And omo team no e fa no so mo de man so mani. Entuamba ja mo kwa mo mako. You put everything together. Ubo se Japan a brain ni ho. Esa we a lot of engagement. Na coach no beba no. Especially the ATS coach here foreigner. Oba Quintino with ya system no. Coach Lankasa fe no oba adaptation no. Also adapted to the weather, to the system, to everything. Now he would have to understand players on your team spirit, team bonding, you know that because any team a Jana Naso Kotoko 28, 27 players on issue last season. At least 10 to 15 will not be there next season. In terms of money, no question say a free time aboard no. I assume a Juma. Anytime I know need to coach, it is my humble submission, say, a check to do. A check. and comedian dear coach Ifa. And I'm situating it in the context. I'm saying, Yenim time you start the league, and say 4th to 7th of September. So the month of September and home. July ni womi.
Yeah.
You were August pet. As a coach na bar on an sporting director and a company for executive chairman. Joshua Punum, atras and normal planning. Where do we do our preseason? What are we doing in terms of your striking position? Coach, you had the obechi me defense. I mean, me imagine the abuja paying. I channel. Me the chairman fan playing kodrun kinds has also the same thing.
Phobia.
Kratana has at the pump coach and abuja paying. Said one was in 7 days. Damn case. What must you be there, Chiri? No more really when I done Kwame and Akorman on so view. Japan has record situation in the city has the Kratano Moka say technical team Nina. Across the focus to announce that following a comprehensive technical review of the 2025-2026 football season, the board has decided to part ways with the technical team. They did not part ways with the head coach. They parted ways with the technical team.
Wow.
Assistant coaches. Goalkeepers, trainers. In fact, how's you know? Almost like Feda, Unzana Bernard, Dada Diof, Dombote. No coach has and crown.
Yeah.
Has assigned so or more on grad team. In fact, apart from has, ladies, you know, has technical team be an standing as a last season be able to pay. Oh, my goodness. Has and so crater date here 26 May. 26 May. June abesineko July ni omo je yes omnu we kasa yes omani nkoma fa yes has pewei has yes ebredi wo again for heart of folk 5 seasons in your league Kotoko 4 has 5 the last time a phobia I lifted Ghana Premier League no I Samuel Kofi Yesu Samuel Buadu and Hamza Obenum Kokabomu a G League no I the last time I has a G League has only standing to a now most of the issues at Kotoko it will replace it will repeat or has Solomon Agbasi contract in your Calvin says he been a contract
Yes.
Abraham did David Opan for a contract and he has and so any standing team a general now so because they need a coach who will come early and start things up Japan. What if you Diana Stars? Your ball league ya. Chioba the 2 monim. Chioba kwaya and Diana Siena some word we.
87.9 Kumasi.
Some body no Brekum Chelsea. Brekum Chelsea in Lusu no almost Yanako good and so we. How many weeks, how many months? Anna phobia he answer no matter me actually coach or the Makona season. I think that a child of Japan. We editorial. Yeah, we ho.
Richard Pepe shall raise the fellow man.
Pacho Mame Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr. Page no so. Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr. Abusia?
Yes, sir.
Asante Kotoko interest in Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr. Especially last season. And the January transfer window, no, it was not in doubt.
Okay.
Na Kotoko interest there on for Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr. And Nabayejuma. That time, Kaisa Kotoko administration, no, now led by Nana Apinkra Akosiewa.
The IMC.
Makajo say IMC, no. Omo nkrata no mchocho no. Enti omo recommend say ebeya new managers that take over no. And consider a branch di Rudolf no. If they are interested, because omo there no more interested omo they instituted some negotiations, some talks across. If you want to follow up, ubetimi a follow ama and so ubetimi akoyi. That is something that was happening a buy up. Rudolf since the ban we no ya urama ko din komo kakra bi zapayi. Unso na lead SWEDRU All Blacks Division 1.
Yes.
Sa Division 1 no campaign no. Kodano pint na papa chem say 30 something goals e division 1 no. But now no the second season at division 1. No mo dey buy.
Okay.
And on the first season at the Premier na yem say third season. Abusia ye hwehwe mu no che Rudolf contract no as a
The original fella man.
Rudolf contract with team no ewu. And Swane All Blacks contract no ewu a. It gives a huge advantage to our person Okokoto no.
Okay.
But agent to be person no kwa bonten. Metma catch us Rudolf.
Yes, sir.
Who's oye sunyai bezo.
Okay.
Your boss is you kwa no Kumase. No be di be 2 weeks bi as be Kumase a.
Wow.
Officially call every mpanyinfo mo ye adwuma edema Asante Kotoko ho. Ako Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr ho. Kotoko ehia striker or strikers. And I'll explain to you why.
Nice one.
Kono koi na house nso. Eko edi kan kodada house there. O ma fredada. Eti Continental Club Masters na edi kan place call. Because Hamza Isa are likely to leave Accra House of Folk. Mauli Wayo the last 2 seasons. Player wash goals at Yamaha has by Mauli Wayo. Kabiru some no. Mauli so a nice kwaso no so aircraft. Phobia will need replacement. Has Epe Rudolf Nana Mensah Jnr. Asante Kotoko here. Makacho say a contract no only got any contract with Albert.
Amwa.
Kwam poku no recommendations ni nyoma na mo kaka no ho no. Say anything to go by Kwame and to some farmer Kotoko bi. Eba out and out strikers Kotoko e the boss season of Japan. We and am say Donzo Morefen. Enti Kotoko would need a striker or strikers.
Yes.
And Thursday.
Yes. 9th July.
And go see weekend kwesi ada. Na Kotoko any a branch reading ko take it from me. And go see as a weekend we ba betwam no. Na official meeting komo dia phones akoso. But say ye share din komo one on one no. Abjapenya no ebe koso. Nti Rudolf ede eno no. Enye Rudolf nko abjapenya.
The fella man.
A branch did Kwadwo Antwi. Mpacho enye the music man. Enye the maestro. Kwadwo Antwi. Kwadwo Antwi a striker at the Baby United Football Club. The Baby United. Last season, out of the Division 1 league, Kwadwo Antwi has 17 goals and provided 5 assists.
Wow.
17 goals and 5 assists. Na yaya hwe ball no form de ya yenimu no. De ma kwadai ni din badane edi obi ahu ye no. Aya bra. Omo ball Division 1 Zone 1 playoff between Zone 1A and Zone 1B. The Baby United and Tamale City. Our Accra Sports Stadium. Tamale City share first goal. The Baby ateka be share mo 3-0. Kwadwo Antwi ball hat-trick adana kola ni show penwe. Kodana ni power stadium opa. Ana branch here ndidi Kwadwo Antwi msapenyi o ball hat-trick. Makacho se Kotoko coach na ama an age range of players no more method. The ideal range, 18, 19, 20, 21. Occupy 22. If you 23, Ekokosi 26, 7 hono. And so what exceptional talent. Now what a lot of experience. So Kotoko enko from enko Division 1. So go to play about 25 years on tono. But he'll be a player and what Ghana Premier League about 6-7 years. And what did 26? Kotoko omu air transfer be pejam kwada atonya sikano. They will still be competing for titles. It is our player experience, you know. Ebet mama Asante Kotoko are competing for they will go in for our player.
Wow.
Abrantia anything ate Kwadwo Antwi. Ye ball league ni wie ya. In fact, I'm say 2 weeks after the league, I'm back say House of Folk for I enquiries echo the baby United so mo pa branche.
Yeah.
If I 2 players and has a day enquiries in echo. The baby 2 players. Now hono the baby hono the baby. Mensah has Kabiru ya munya information pa unse Hussein Mohammed of the baby na buy. Terms on the information if feed has for that. Yeah. Quite good. It has a interested. I'm supposing branch away. The American sika on board has a trauma 2 other clubs a rival mono. 2 clubs in the bigger of Hakono. I am a yapa. Oh, minimum baby. I never na. Senyasa has a con 1 man story will be like I say. Una bear stories young fan. Has it din common? Eddie can the baby for at the start here from bed 300,000 Ghana cedis. And got it 3 billion yes I was paying. And the baby takes so much now 150,000 Ghana cedis 1.5 billion. Phobia so between 70 and 80,000 Ghana cedis. Asante Kotoko about red deal we was paying 21-year-old Kojo entry. Kotoko abawram. Mediama for tafeta from ano awa chire. But team and the ade Bechem United. Wamo ade official letter echo. So almost a branch of the thing ade Kojo entry from the baby. United.
Wow.
Abuja?
Yes, sir.
Mr. House the D can call deal no. A dim come up quite chilly. In fact, House for any agreement with the boy, mutual agreement with the boy. Oh, senior, yes, my boy.
Wow.
Oh, I knew no. Some comedian course on. Na phobia. Okay, ebiso mo pe. Who's a Timbiazo the transfer budget. And if you name the amount, Obia the value of the player. Debia has a fund say 1.5